Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a clipboard feature on your Windows 11. So you can try to activate the clipboard first by go to the settings on your Windows 11. Here you can click on System. Then you can scroll down and try to find clipboard, cut and copy history, synchronize, clear. Here you can turn this on. By default this is on, but if you accidentally click switch this off, you can try to switch this on first. You can save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows logo key on your keyboard plus V button to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Let's start by hold Windows key and then press press V key. Here we go. This is the clipboard. Let's try again. This is the clipboard. So if you recently copy text, you can see the history from here. You will see your clipboard history here once you've copied something. So for example, this one, the hashtag, copy, and let's open the clipboard. As you can see, this is the copied text that I copied before, and you can paste in this note. You can tap or click three dots and then paste as text. Now done, the text will easily pass from the clipboard. In case you forgot or in case you copy another text, you always can copy the previous text in order, or if you forgot to copy it into the another file. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.